Hello and welcome to a new series where we highlight some non-traditional crafting materials to encourage creative reuse. It's all leading up to our community art swap, where you can swap art supplies that you're no longer using in exchange for something new to you. The community art swap happens in the Cranford Community Center from 9 a.m. to noon on Saturday, April 9th. Today we'll be showing you a fun project that makes use of catalog cards. Let's learn how to make a sewing needle holder. Start with your catalog card. Cut it along the long side to remove the hole. We're using an X-Acto knife, but this would work just as well with a pair of scissors. Mark ½ inch on the shorter side of the card and fold up along the mark that you've made. Fold the paper on top of your piece of felt and add a staple. Fold the card on top of the piece of felt. Now you can add the sewing needles that you'd like to store. Tuck the edge underneath your previous fold to close your needle holder. We'll be giving out supplies for this project in this month's Adult Grab and Go Kit. Kits will be available on a first-come, first-served basis this Wednesday morning, starting at 11 a.m. You can also take a handful of catalog cards from the card catalog located in the front of the library. We can't wait to see what you create.